Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, let me discuss an interview program using Java 8, which is finding duplicate elements in a list using streams. First, let me take arrays.asList. In that, let me take few numbers 10, 20, 30, 20, 40, 10, 50, something like this. Assign statement to a new local variable that returns the list. By using the reference variable, stream the values. Here list.stream, what this will do is, this will convert the given list into a stream. So list.stream dot filter, do the filter. Here what we are doing is, we are finding the duplicate elements in a list. So we need to use the filter method for this. So dot filter, for every element what I am doing is, I am checking the frequency, so that collections dot frequency and pass the given list, each element should be greater than, I am saying greater than 1, and just what we will do is, we will just collect this to a set. Do the Control Alt L, that's it. Here what we are doing is, we are using the filter method, and inside that filter method, for every element we are checking in that corresponding list that any element in that corresponding list has been repeated twice or not. If that is so, what we are doing is, we are getting that so and so element and we are collecting that and printing that in the console. How we are collecting is, we are using collectors.toSet. This is the filter condition which we are using, and this is the collectors.toSet. Why we are using the collectors.toSet? Because set does not allow duplicates. Now let's check the output. What we will do is, we will just assign this to the local variable, okay, and just do the collect, that's it. 20, 10, these are the duplicate values. We are just fetching the duplicate values and printing those duplicate values, 20 and 10. If we do so like this, 30, it should print 30 also, because that is 30 value also have been duplicated. So run this, see here, duplicate value has been printed. Thank you.